Reeder Creek Ranch is without question the best fishing ranch currently on the market in Colorado. Anchored by nearly a mile of the Colorado River, professionally restored and ecologically enhanced, this stretch includes a braided section with an island and a natural side channel that mimics a spring creek. These features create deep pools, complex structures, and prolific bug life, resulting in a fishery that rivals gold medal designated waters. Unlike other listings that boast river proximity, Reeder Creek Ranch offers a rare private control over one of the most ecologically significant and biologically productive sections of river in the region. Restoration work completed since 2020 has improved aquatic habitat, stabilized stream banks, and preserved the river's natural character. Beyond the river, the ranch offers 6 miles of Reeder Creek, a cold, clear, spring-fed tributary supporting wild trout, and a 3-acre stocked pond for stillwater angling. This diversity of fisheries allows for dry fly, nymph, and stillwater fishing all in one place across multiple venues and seasons and styles. Whether for personal enjoyment, conservation-minded investment, or a commercial fishing program, there's no other ranch on the market that delivers this level of water access, habitat quality, and fishery diversity in a single, contiguous holding. For the passionate angler, there is no more compelling opportunity in the Colorado market today.